Good morning, family. Black Phoenix checking in with you right now. I'm at the headquarters, just waking up, getting around, got my coffee brewing on the pot, trying to get myself together. I wanted to say something to my fellow brothers who have did time incarcerated. I don't care what color you are. If you have been incarcerated, if you have did time and you're trying to start over and get on your feet, it is better for you to be in business on your own. It is better for you to learn and invest in your own LLC, to be independent, to have a trade or whatever your trade is, but to learn how to be independent, because on the job, you are not going to get ahead. Now, we can and we do use jobs for stepping stones. There's nothing wrong with that. But keep in mind, you want to be owner. You want to be an owner. You want to be independent. And just a small few things, and especially if you are a welder, and if you're a welder and a fabricator, and you really want to get out here, there's so many opportunities. There's only a few things you need to do to really get some money to be independent. One, AWS certification. Get your AWS certification. Whatever state you are in, the prices vary. Anywhere from probably 175 to 150 to 300, probably 400, depends on which one you want to get. I got mine in AWS 6G, Flux Core, and Stick. So it just depends on, how you want, to get yours, but that way you can be able to touch everything, and that way you can have more of a range of things you can do. And I'm going to show you something else to invest in. This is my business card. Pretty much state what you do, your name, your services, just a few things. But invest in you some business cards. Keep it professional. Flyers, brochures. Make it look professional. Make them know when they see your brand that it's about you. And it's not a lot of money you got invested, but you have to invest something. Honestly, the check they give us coming out of prison, most people, they give them $150, $100, $200, whatever it is. Invest it. If you really want to get that step ahead, invest your money the right way. Learn and invest in others. Consultation fees, it is what it is. I had to pay. But if you got someone that's willing to charge you a small amount for some game that can change your life, that's nothing. I always use Master P as one of my mentors, and he said he spent $25,000 just to hold a conversation with a guy who told him what to do, and he had to go spend more thousands in order to do it. So think about it. Just that information was valuable enough. Even though he was like, man, I had to give you this much to do for you to tell me that. But then he realized he didn't know that, and he needed that information to take him to that next level. So this is for you this morning. My ex-cons who are approaching the world and want to do good for their families, or for themselves. If you don't have any kids or don't have any family, man, you can do whatever you put your mind to. Don't limit yourself, but always invest in yourself. Hold on, Black Phoenix.